There was a time when coding was the guaranteed future. Learn to code and your life is set. But today, one of the things AI does best is write code. AI doesn't just write code, it can test, debug, and even deploy entire application. The result, coding alone is no longer enough. There is a healthy amount of fear that AI is taking over jobs. More people are looking for tech jobs that are AI proof. Whether you are just starting out in your tech career or already have decades of experience, it's worth considering what role are likely to survive or even thrive as AI continues to evolve. Most experts agree that AI is more likely to take over tasks, not entire career, and in many cases, it can actually help people do their jobs better. AI is powerful but limited. It lacks real world context, authentic creativity, emotional intelligence, and moral judgment. It can remix what it has seen, but it can't truly invent. It can't comfort an employee, negotiate a stakeholder compromise, or weigh ethical trade-offs the way a human can. That's why the future of tech work is not AI replacing people, it's AI augmenting people. The jobs that thrive are those that blend deep technical expertise with the uniquely human touch. Obviously, AI specialists, ML engineers, and computer vision experts are in demand, but the barriers to entry is sky high. So instead, we will talk about the roles that makes human intuition and adaptability, where AI simply can't match up. In this video, I will map tech jobs that are likely to survive the next 5 to 10 years, explain why they are AI resistant, and at the end, we will match demand versus supply versus skill, so you know where you stand and what it takes to get there. Cybersecurity strategist and ethical hacker. What they do? They think like attackers, find weaknesses, and design resilient defenses. Why AI can't replace them? Attackers continually innovate. Defense requires human creativity and adversarial thinking. Hiring outlook is very strong. Enterprises need human threat modeling and adaptive strategies. IT infrastructure and site reliability leaders, SRE. What they do? They keep system up, secure and reliable, especially hybrid and AI integrated stacks. Why AI can't replace them? Because designing resilient architecture and troubleshooting novel failures requires judgment and experience. Demand outlook is promising. More complexity means more need for skilled humans. Third and fourth is IT director and IT product manager. What they do? Align tech with business, motivate teams, manage change, and direct product adoption. Why AI can't replace them? Leadership, influencing, and change management are fundamentally human. AI can draft plans, it can't lead the company through them. How to upskill? Business judgment plus people management plus domain knowledge. Fourth is IT audit and compliance analyst. Complex regulation, SOC 2, GDPR, etc. requires interpretation, risk assessment, and stakeholders coordination. AI can detect anomalies, but human decide acceptable risks and remediate. Before we go ahead, I want to introduce you to the Software Career Masterclass designed to accelerate your roadmap as a future-ready software engineer. If you ever felt stuck learning from random YouTube tutorials, theory-heavy subjects, or you are already a tech professional who want to master practical, project-based application development instead of just collecting certificates, this masterclass is built exactly for you. Because the truth is, you can learn concepts all day, but if you can't apply them to real-world project, you won't stand out. And the person who can build, ship, and showcase real applications will always land the best opportunities. In this Software Career Masterclass, you will learn the way real tech companies train their engineers, build real applications, not just watch lectures. Learn by doing, following real engineering workflows and development practices. Work as a part of a real engineering team. Participate in agile sprints, plan tasks, deliver features, and ship production quality applications. Create a standout profile and portfolio that makes recruiters choose you before the interview begins. Fundamentals, system design, practical communication, and mock interview guidance to boost confidence. By the end of the masterclass, you won't just learn coding, you will be job ready with real projects, real teamwork experience, experience and a portfolio that actually gets interviews. This is not just another course. This is the career transformation program built for the next generation of developers. Join thousands of learners who have already transformed their careers, applied these skills, and landed their dream jobs. Plus, you will get live sessions and personal mentorship to clear every doubt and support you through real challenges. Seats are limited, applications are open now. Become the engineer companies want to hire. Fifth is data science and analysts. Data is the lifeblood of AI. While part of the analysis can be automated, humans define questions, validate assumptions, and translate insights into business decisions. Those who master AI tools plus storytelling will thrive. IT support and systems admin. Chatbots handle fast line requests, but complex troubleshooting, on-prem integration, and the human touch in incident triage still need people. These roles evolve because more system-centric and higher value. Robotics and embedded system engineers. Integrating AI into hardware needs deep electrical, mechanical, and low-level software expertise. The physical world is messy, sensors fail, tolerances matter, and that unpredictable complexity keeps this role human-centric. Eighth is DevOps and cloud specialist. AI automates tasks in deployment and monitoring, but designing resilient, cost-efficient, and secure cloud architecture is still a human craft, and it's growing in demand. Master DevOps and you can pivot into ML Ops or AI agent orchestration. How to future-proof your tech career. AI is changing the tech world fast, and that means tech professionals need to change too. No matter how safe your job might seem today, staying relevant in the next 5 to 10 years will take one key thing: continuous learning. Learn, adapt, repeat. The playbook is simple. Learn, adapt, repeat. Build a T-shaped profile, deep expertise in one area plus broad skills, AI basics, communication, systems thinking. Embrace AI as a teammate. Learn to use tools like Copilot, ChatGPT, and LLM agents to augment your output. Most experts agree AI will take tasks, not whole careers. The winners are those who combine technical mastery with human judgment. So where do you stand? Look at the table. Pick one row. Map the gap between where you are and where you want to be. Then start learning today. That's how you turn uncertainty into an advantage. Focus on durable human skills. Some skills never go out of style. They are what make you uniquely human, and they are hard for AI to copy. This includes critical thinking, breaking down problems and finding smart solutions. Creativity, coming up with new ideas, not just remixing old ones. Communication, explaining complex ideas simply and clearly. Empathy, understanding how others feel and what they need. Teamwork and leadership, inspiring and guiding people in the right direction. These soft skills are actually the hardest to automate and the most important for future leaders. Be flexible, stay curious. The tech world is always shifting. Job titles will change, new tools will emerge, roles you have never heard of today might be the top jobs tomorrow. That's why adaptability is key. Be ready to pivot, learn on the go, and take on tasks outside your comfort zone. People who welcomes change and learn from it will stay ahead. Thanks, see you again.